everyone, welcome back. I'm only going to do a little, as you can tell it's only like 8 minutes long or something, a little video. I recorded this the other day, not knowing that I was going to be accepted, but I'm now a Modelones affiliate. So exciting. So that was amazing. So I'm using, I don't know whether this is 0998 or 8660, but it's a beautiful beigey browny nudie gorgeous colour. So I've done 2 coats of that, and that is on the thumb and the ring finger that I'm going to put that on. I've grabbed some gold, and my bronze leaf is not bronze leaf, bronze foil is like tarnished a bit, but I'm going to use it anyway. So I've rubbed, just using the sticky inhibition layer that is left over on the nail to help stick down that foil, and then I use a silicone tool to like smush it about a bit. Floof everywhere all the time. So yeah, I do that. Do it with the bronze. Like I said, it's a bit tarnished, but I don't think it matters too much. I tried to take the bits that aren't as tarnished. And then I just put a, what do I put on this? Oh, Macquart's foil glue gel. That's the one. I say rhinestone glue gel all the time, so I'm used to saying that. That I like to cure this for 2 minutes, 2 like 60-second bursts, and then I leave it to cool down for 60 seconds as well. Miss Jo told me in a video ages ago, and I've done it ever since, and I've had no issues ever since. So if you're struggling with Macquart's foil glue gel or any foil glue gel, try doing it for 2 minutes and then leaving it to cool down for a bit. So I have 2 foils that I wanted to try. This black and silver, it's got a little bit of purple lilac-y undertone to it. Snakeskin foil, and then that gorgeous bronzy, rose goldy, metallic-y, copper-y snakeskin. So I'll just pat that on wherever I want, really. So I did these, and then so it's Tuesday for me. Last night I watched G's Nail Spot, and she did a snake as well, and I was like, oh my god, I've done the same. It's not the same design, but hers is amazing as always. So I wanted to add a little bit extra onto this. So we've already got the nude colour, the gold and the bronze foil, we've got the snakeskin foils, and then I had a snakeskin stamping plate that I've never used, so I grabbed some gold stamping polish and just did that wherever I saw fit as well. So this is the pinky, and the index finger have 2 coats of black polish from Modelones again, 0629, and then I'm doing a full cover on the pinky of that blacky silver foil. And then because sometimes it doesn't always transfer, there's a few bits, so I was going to touch it then, and I know that it's like super sticky, so I grabbed that copper one, and I just thought, well, if it can pick up any of this, great, and it did. And I did the same with the stamping plate. And then for the index finger, I'm just using that copper foil, nothing else. So for the middle finger, I've done 2 coats of the original, that first nude. Like I said, I don't know whether it's 8660 or 0998. I have no idea. I will try and find out and leave it in the comment section. Not in the comment section, the description box. But I'm going to do a French. You've seen me do French lots and lots of times, so I'm going to do a French. So once I've got the black French on and that's cured, I'm going to top coat the whole nail in a matte top coat, and then I'll get a little bit of the foil glue gel on a palette with a thin brush, and I'll just go over the black where I want the foil to stick. I've used the matte because sometimes the sticky inhibition layer, you see there that that's matte, and I've put the foil glue gel just on the black bit. So I'm going to do the same as I've done with the pinky finger onto this one, try and get it all covered in that black and silver one, and any bits that are still a bit sticky will pick up the copper one. And then do the same with the stamping plate again on that too. And then I'm going to grab Madame Glam's amazing gold gel paint. So I've got discount codes for Madame Glam, I've got affiliate links for Modelones. I don't think I use... Oh, I've got discount codes for Born Pretty as well. I've used the Born Pretty stamping polishes. And you'll see something else that I use in a minute. It's amazing. But I'll leave all of those affiliate links and discount codes and, you know, all of that jazz in the description box. I'm just going to line the French just to make sure that it's nice and a smooth, nice finished line. So this is amazing. I have hardly used the nude colour. I've got the pink and I've got a white and the Aurora one. But I haven't really used this like apricot colour, soft nude. So you should wear gloves, obviously. I need to slap myself and do as I'm told, as I'm telling you. But I'm just grabbing a chunk, a blob, a generous blob, and turning it into a sausage, making it thin on one end and fatter on the other to create a head. And then I'm just going to lay it on the nail. I want the head to be near the cuticle, like the thicker part. I thought the thicker bit should be, you know, where you're not going to catch it as much, hopefully. And then wiggle that tail down to the end. And then when I'm happy with how it's sitting, I give it a full cure for 60 seconds. Now, I don't know if I've got this on camera, but I've made him, after I cure him, well, I half cure him actually, and then I make a little tiny tongue for him. I'm just poking some holes for his eyes, and I've made the tongue, but I didn't show you on camera. I knew I didn't record it. Fully cured it now. Going in with that gold gel paint again so it ties in everything together. Don't forget to try and get like the edges as well. And then I actually use a little bit of Sunset in Florida from Madame Glam's, but any red gel paint mixed with a little bit of black for his tongue, for his little forked tongue. And then I use 2 bronzy coppery caviar beads for his eyes, and I cure that all in and give him a top coat. And then this, I wasn't happy with this at all. I usually start in the middle and work my way out and create a really nice across the nail swooshy effect. But I didn't like it. Didn't like how the crystals looked. But I absolutely love every other nail. I love it. I've never done any kind of snaky nails before, so I'm really happy I did these. I've got to go and take some pictures now because the original ones were poo. So I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and let me know what you thought in the comments. And I'll see you all in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks guys. Bye.